Grab your seat. It's Crispy Quiche. We're here with a craft. Moving by fast. This is going to be the Kim Possible grappling hook. Yeah, I said it. I'm making the grappling hook. I'm not just buying a toy because I'm extra and I like making things. So I'm gonna show you a bit of the process of my thought process. You can see me pause here and there because I'm literally, again, I think as I go. I don't have any plans. At first I was gonna make it fully from clay, and then I saw my Taco Bell remnant from my Pepsi Zero, and I was like, I look over, I'm like, I could use that, and I did. So yeah, you can kind of see my thought process as I go. With the clay, just a disclaimer: whatever you see with the clay, just disregard it because she's not gonna last. I'm probably gonna zoom so fast English past the clay because it doesn't last. We scrap that and we do something else, but the base is still the same. So just a heads up. Anyways, again, if you're not following my gaming channel, Quiche Pie, what are you doing? Now I shall stop talking and let you watch the yeah. Again, it's not a tutorial, by the way. It's just me doing it, so don't expect me to do a tutorial. So yeah, okay. Probably like, what happened? It cracked all off because I don't know what was my thought process using clay, but again, I don't think before I do things. I just do it. Yeah, that's my whole life. I just do it. So yeah, two major problems with the clay. One, it was heavy. It's heavier than I thought it was gonna be. Yeah, it's clay and water. Two, it cracked off. Yeah. I just want to say it was lighter, of course, when some of the water dried out of it. But it's still cracked because it's clay. It takes a long time to actually dry. And it's not that, it's not that good to put on a non-flat surface. So every time like you picked it up from the handle, it'll crack. And I'm like, oh, that'll fix itself. So I kept adding like little clay to it or getting water and smoothing out. Like, oh, it's gonna fix itself. It's fine. Yeah, so here's idea number 2 after being patient and actually waiting for my plaster sheets to come in. So yeah. this is the final product. It's a little janky, but I do really like it, especially for my first time making something. Um, when I look at this, I see a Taco Bell cup because I'm the one that knows that there's a Taco Bell cup in here. So I see Taco Bell and I see a lot of my mail that I didn't want it stuffed in here. But yeah, I do like it a lot personally. If you don't like it, sorry. It's my first time trying to make something like this. It is a very janky, but I tried my best, and that's all I care about. Yeah, I hope you liked it. Also, I do not have any footage of me putting this together, or coloring it orange, or doing a yellow strip, or putting this on. This I don't know where it is. So here's the final product. I'm so sorry. I looked at my deleted. I looked if anything was recently corrupted. I can't find it. If I happen to find it later on in life, it's too late. But yeah, I hope you did enjoy this. This was a really fun project for me. In all, stay tuned for my pictures on Instagram. If you're not following me, I will be posting it on both my Quiche Pie Instagram and my personal, which is ok.kish. Yes, it's 4 O's. Why? I don't know. I chose it back in high school and I just stuck with it. But yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that bell icon. And I'll see you next time.